If it wasn't for her upbringing, if it wasn't for all of the traditions that she instilled that I wanted to then replicate and share with all of you, we wouldn't have Temp-tations. So thanks, Mama.
Mwah! That is amazing, and that deserves a round of applause. All right, so let's talk about something that is really popular, right? This was on earlier today. Yes. You guys were going crazy for it. Now is your time to pick it up in this show on 5 easy monthly payments of $4.91. This is the set of 4 mini loaf pans. You're going to get every single thing that you're seeing here.
That's right.
They all come in the gift boxes. They all come with the liddits.
They do.
And today, or the snap-on store.
Lids, yep.
And today, we've got 2 choices for you to make, basically, right?
That's right.
Harvest or classic. So take us through Harvest.
And Harvest, I love that we included our 4 most popular patterns, starting with your buffetti. So 12 ounces. These are what we call our mini loaf pans. All the detail, everything you've come to love from Temp-tations included in here. Your Harvest is your second collection. You saw that in the covered pumpkin. Now you could have the coordinating pieces in your 12 ounce bakers. Here's your pumpkin patch. Again, coordinating back to all of that. Then again, that has that beading and that braided detail that runs around the edges. And then we have your pumpkin. Pumpkin is that floral lace detail where it's carved into the side of it, the beading on the top, the plastic storage covers come, and then you have that great gift box or storage box, and we designed it so that it's not holiday specific. This is something you could tuck away and give and share throughout the year. So those are your, what we call our Harvest collection, and then take a peek. If you picked up any of the wine glasses, if you picked up that great pitcher, this is our mixed pattern. This is what we call our classic. No choice here. You're going to get your black, like a box of crayons. You're going to get your red, you're going to receive that gorgeous cobalt blue, and then of course you're going to receive the green. 2,000
of these already spoken for today. If you want this, now's the time to pick it up because K49168, I believe, is there any chance of bringing any more back this year?
Not in the Harvest.
Okay.
We will not see the Harvest again.
So you want to get this home right now, and the price goes up at the end of the day today. And this breaks down to $6 a gift.
That's amazing. And again, when you think about portion control, when you're thinking about dinner for maybe the 2 of you, and you have 12 ounces of mac and cheese, and you actually make a little mini meatloaf here.
Oh my gosh.
Look at that. When we talk about a mini meatloaf, that's not so mini. Look at that.
No,
that's a decent size that once we slice that probably provides about 4 or 5 pieces just made in that mini. So yes, of course, we love our mini loaf pans for just that. Your spice cakes, your pumpkin pie cake. Your...
Sorry, did you say mini?
Oh, here we go. Here we go.
Okay, first of all,
Yes. Tell me.
I don't eat anything in miniature size.
I know, honey. I know.
I do not. I don't hear myself. Now I hear myself. Okay. Hello, everybody.
Hello.
I told everybody you might pop in and say hello if time permits.
Well, I'm so excited to see all of you, and I hope you're going to stick around. And on the drive home, if you're not driving, get your QVC app and watch In the Kitchen with David. Yeah, as you're driving home. Not while you're driving. If you're riding. Yes, exactly.
Shameless plug, it's okay.
Exactly. Well, not so much shameless as right there in your face. So we're thrilled that all of you are here. Hope you'll stick around. How's the show going?
Excellent. Are you kidding? How's the show going, guys?
How's the show going?
Where's your sweet mommy? There she is. And her buddy Pat is with her, her best friend. All right, guys, we'll have fun, and I've got to get ready for the last few minutes before
I'll see you soon.
We go live. We'll see you soon.
Thank you for stopping by.
Bye, everybody.
Thank you, David.
Everybody, David Venable.
David
We love that man.
In case you didn't know the man.
Yes, and you can always tune into In the Kitchen with David, either 7 or 8 p.m. on Wednesday nights, as well as noon on Sundays. Over 1,200 of these mini loaf pans have been spoken for right now. I want you to take advantage of the fact that today we have it on 5 easy monthly payments. Okay, so that's piping hot.
So here's something I know you will appreciate, that everybody could have their individual dessert. So look at how this is bubbling. Here's what we love about stoneware. Naturally nonstick, pulls right away from the sides, metal utensil safe, so you can cut on it. I always say our mothers used to use stoneware, their mothers used to use stoneware. Temp-tations brings it to today's lifestyle with beautiful hand-painted details, with the systems that we talk about, with the thoughtfulness of every guest at your home having either their own soup, having their own dessert, having their own personal baker that they could then take home with them that they'll use all the time.
So I have a question for you.
Yes.
If I was doing like a cake box mix.
Sure.
Not that I use those, right? But if I did use a cake box mix.
Asking for a friend.
Yes, exactly.
Right.
How many would I need? Would I need like one?
You could use one cake box and make the 4.
There you go.
That is correct. That's how easy it is. So it's basically the same capacity as you would use for either your full-size loaf pan or, again, some of the bakers that you're using.
So think about it. If you are making great desserts for the holidays, giving these as gifts, it really is a great way to stretch your dollar, to give somebody something personalized, to give somebody something that they will remember and utilize over and over again.
I got to tell you, this was brilliant from the viewers who wrote into us and told us what they use it for.
Okay,
so for their Thanksgiving table, they're going to use it for their gravies. They're going to use it for their cranberry sauce. Because you can chill these ahead of time, you can put gravy on both sides of the table. You can layer these into your harvest motif. You can pair it with your turkey, and they're all of your side dishes. They're your accoutrement. From your cold, do you like that? From your cold cranberry sauce to your hot gravy, and you can reheat that gravy by popping it right in the microwave.
This is the Greek
your
Thanksgiving.
Olive bar, right? Put a little Windex on it.
Yes,
fine.
exactly.
But then look at how sweet this is. This is what we're talking about. Whether you're layering Cheryl's cookies, whether you're putting in some of the candies, you don't have to use that gift box, but you can also include it. We put the lid right underneath it, wrapped it in a little cello, put a little bow around it. Brilliant.
So 2 choices left, 5 payments of $4.91. Come over here and you'll see what Harvest looks like. Harvest is very popular.
Fun.
So if you want that Harvest look, you're going to get one of every one of these, right? So you're going to get this beautiful, is this the pumpkin in floral lace? Then you have pumpkin in this beautiful design. I just love pumpkin patch.
Yeah. I do. It's so sweet.
Yeah, it's really adorable.
That piece.
Then we have it for you. This is the Harvest.
That's the Harvest.
I love that Harvest.
And then
inside and outside. Boo! Fetty.
It was as if we
You guys got that right? Boo! Fetty.
These are anytime we do something miniature other than for David Venable, you guys love it. So because it's portion control, it's something you don't have to think about. Banana bread, spice bread, pumpkin cakes, all of those different things. And then don't forget the classics down here as well. You don't have to choose a color. So if you want to keep one, give one. Maybe you keep your color, the green, the blue, the red, and of course at the very end we have that black.
If you're a Nista or a Neaster and you want to give Temptations, oh, I feel like we got some in the audience. Yes. If you want to give the gift of Temptations, there's no better way to do it. There's no more affordable way to do it because, again, it breaks down to about $6 a gift.
Yes.
If you are somebody that wants to start your Temptations collection, you don't know where to go, start here. It's super affordable, and you can use these every single day.
And you can use them for so many other things. We call them mini loaf. We joke we call them the mini makers because you literally can make Jell-O in here if you wanted to, or you can just use them for snacks. They become the candy bowl. They become the nuts before everyone's coming over. The nuts before everyone's coming over.
Yes,
the nuts are coming over. I mean the nuts for when people are coming
exactly.
over.
No, usually it's the nuts that are coming over to my house.
Got it. And then your
like,
classic, of course.
Leave.
Yes.
All right, so again, 2 choices to make. Do you want Harvest or do you want that classic? Today is your day to pick it up. Remember, your Easy Pay is just $4.91. I can't believe that.
Was there a rumor that the price goes up too?
The price goes up.
There was something strange about this.
Price goes
Carry
up at
the
the end of the. Wait, let me.
I'm not check it out.
Price goes up at the end of the day today. Easy Pay is $4.91. That goes away at the end of the day today as well. So check these out of your shopping cart and get them home right now. All right, so
hello.
1 hour went by.
Oh, hi, Lise.
Hi.
Hi.
You're gonna have to talk into that or talking to here.
What?